Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. That means a lot. Let's start by marinating the chicken with lime juice, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, ginger and garlic paste. Give a very good mix. Let's add in yogurt and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. To prepare their paste, in a pan add in oil, butter, add in onions and saute it until translucent. Add in tomatoes and cook it for 2 minutes. Add in bay leaf, Kashmiri red chili. These chilies will give nice color for the masala. Add in garlic pods, some cashew nuts, cardamom, cinnamon stick and kasturi methi. Mix all together and cook it for about 5 minutes. Add in water and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now take out the cinnamon stick. If you grind with cinnamon stick, the gravy color will be brownish. Grind the mixture to fine paste. Strain the masala to get the smooth texture. The chicken is well marinated. Let's fry the chicken. Add in water and butter. You can skip this step, but this will give nice tandoori aroma to the chicken. Add in the masala, mix well, allow the chicken to cook for 5 minutes. Butter chicken is ready. Try it with naan. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amor amor.